Okay, today's lesson, I am going to show you where to find it and how to complete it. So you want to go into Schooloop and you want to find the writing equations overview and click the link. And it says section 1. So we're in section 1, writing equations, and I'm going to dismiss this. Section 1, writing equations. It says the directions. Choose and solve one of the following 4 questions and submit the answer through the Remind app by sending a picture of your work. So you're going to answer one question on another sheet of paper and then take a picture of it and send it to me. Here's question 1. If you want to, pause your computer right now, open up this link, and you can go through and read all 4 questions on your own. If you feel comfortable answering one of them, then go ahead and do it. If you want me to explain kind of what's going on, then you can stay with this video and then go and answer them when we're done. So here's question 1. Juan owns a sewing company in California. He recently sold 140 masks to a hospital for $580. Another hospital orders 225 masks to be made. Juan must charge a service fee of $20 plus $4 for every mask to make a profit. So that's the initial. Then part A, complete the table of values below that shows the relationship between number of masks ordered and the cost. So the number of masks ordered, these would be your X values, 100 to 120, 140, 160, 180. And then the cost to consumer, those would be your Y values, would be 580. Complete the other 2 boxes here and complete the other 2 here. For the next one, it says write the linear equation, so that'd be like a y equals mx plus b, that compares the number of masks ordered, x, to the cost to the consumer, y. So that would be your slope interceptor, y equals mx plus b. And then it says, part C, use the equation you just wrote to determine how much 225 masks will cost. Okay? So that is question 1. Let's move on to question 2. Question 2 says, Ricardo started a t-shirt printing business that had a startup fee of $800, which included the t-shirt printing machine, t-shirt inventory, and paint for screens. He plans to charge $15.25 per t-shirt, plus a $30 artist processing fee in order to make a profit. Write a linear equation that would represent the customer's cost using T for the number of t-shirts and F of T for the total fee. Again, linear equation, y equals mx plus b. Compare a table of values that would give the costs for the following number of t-shirts. So for 10 t-shirts, how much would it cost based on his information up here? For 25 t-shirts, you would figure that out. For 50, for 100, and then for 200 t-shirts. For part C, it says explain the difference between Ricardo's model and charging a flat fee of $17 for each t-shirt, i.e. no processing fee, right? And just explain the difference between a flat rate of $17 or the $15.25 plus $30 fee every time. And then D, using Ricardo's model, determine how many t-shirts Ricardo will need to sell in order to break even from his initial investment. Okay, and his initial investment was up here, $800. So that's question 2. Let's move on to question 3. It says Billy was asked to solve for x in the triangle below. He came up with the solution x equals negative 12. He is not sure if he is correct because he got a negative number. What is your opinion of his solution? Use the triangle sum theorem. Write an equation that proves whether he is correct or not. And then in blue, it says explain the calculations he would have made to arrive at these conclusions, justifying both how he would have set up the problem and how he would have worked it out to arrive at his answer. Okay. Here is question number 4. Question number 4, write and solve 2 different equations to determine the value of y. Then explain why line M is not parallel to line N. So you have a 4y plus 40 degrees there, 3y plus 56 degrees there, 4y degrees there, 4y plus 35 degrees there, and then 44 degrees up top. And you have line P, Q, N, and M. And that's it for those. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But I would go back and watch this video again to try and get a little explanation and pick the question, because you're only doing one, that you would be most successful with. Have a good day.